In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate multiple currencies in Salesforce. This process is incredibly useful for businesses operating in various countries, as it allows you to handle and display financial data in different currencies seamlessly. So sit back, relax, and let's walk through these steps to make sure your Salesforce setup is tailored to your international needs. First up, we need to enable the multi-currency feature. To start, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Clicking on this will present you with a menu of options. Here you want to select the Advanced Setup. This will take you into the deeper settings of Salesforce where you have access to more powerful tools. Once you're there, you're going to use the Quick Find box. This is a handy tool that greatly speeds up navigation through Salesforce's extensive array of options. Here, type in company information and make sure to select it when it appears. Don't worry if you haven't used this section before. We're diving into it now to get the setup just right. With the company information page open, look for the edit button and give it a click. This will allow you to make changes to your organization's settings. Now you should see a checkbox labeled Activate Multiple Currencies. Check this box to enable the feature. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for enabling multiple currencies for your Salesforce account. Once you've checked it, find the Save button and click it to lock in your changes. With multi-currency now activated, our next focus is adding the new currencies your organization will be working with. Again, in the Setup menu, use the Quick Find box. This time type in Manage Currencies and select it. This action will guide you to the right place for currency management. On the Manage Currencies page, seek out the New button within the Active Currencies related list. Click it to begin adding a new currency. You'll be presented with a list of available currencies, arranged alphabetically by their ISO code. Choose the currency you wish to add. Adding it is just the first part though. You'll also need to specify the conversion rate relative to your corporate currency. For example, if your corporate currency is the US dollar and you're adding the euro, you'll need to define how many euros equal 1 US dollar. This conversion rate ensures that currency calculations across different parts of Salesforce are consistent and accurate. Don't forget to set the number of decimal places that you want for amounts in this currency. This detail might seem minor, but it can greatly impact financial reports and transactions, so choose what suits your business reporting needs. Finally, click Save to make it official. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled and added multiple currencies in Salesforce, ensuring your international business dealings are as smooth and accurate as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.